Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel English Conversation with Priya. Today I am back with a new topic, that why should we learn English? Currently there are around 6,500 languages in the world, and English is the language which is number one and most spoken language in the world, including native and non-native speakers. So if you have decided to learn English, then I would like to say you are just going to take absolutely right decision. In this video I am going to discuss about why should we learn English. So without further delay, let's start. Nowadays, without English, we don't go ahead a little bit. I think every people should learn English, because when we are going to school for admission a child, when we are going to a doctor, when we are going to hospital, bank, office, court, everywhere we need to know English. If you don't know English, you don't do anything. Suppose someone get ill at home and you are going to buy some medicine. If you have a little knowledge in English, at that time that is going to help you a lot, because doctor always prescribed the prescription in English. If you don't read the name of the medicine, then how to take the medicine? For admission in school, college or any other faculties, first of all you have to fill up the form in English, and suddenly you need some money. You don't use your ATM card if you don't know English. So these are the basic needs in our life to learn English. English will open up opportunities. If you have a lot of knowledge in English, then you can grab more opportunities in your life. English is the medium of communication in schools, colleges, universities. Especially it's very important in higher education. When you are going to be a doctor or engineer or lawyer or journalist, in every aspect we need to know English effectively. You are going anywhere across the globe for higher studies, then English fluency is essential. Now English is also considered as a business language for business intention. If your communication skill is very strong, if you will speak very effectively, then you can flourish your business instantly. You have to converse with different clients who belongs in different countries, then English is the language then gonna help you. If your English speaking skill is very well and if you speak very confidently, then English will make you a hot property of employers. You are going to prepare for interview, you get more opportunities than other, and you want to grow in your career. The last point is communicate with the world. Suppose you are at your home and you want to speak with any other people who lives in other country and who doesn't comprehend your language. So English is the global language. We can communicate with this language. English is the language spoken worldwide. So when it comes to the traveling or visiting different countries, if the people don't speak your language or don't comprehend your language, then English comes to the rescue. So go ahead and pick up English as your language to learn. That's all for today. If you like this video, then press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing, and please let me know how did you like this video. I will see you again on next video. Till then, take care. Bye.